Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
Subic Bay Radio. Welcome to the Wednesday Jam edition of this radio program. It's called The Morning Brew. All right. And as usual, of course, we give you today's holidays and observances, the daily observances, and famous birthdays as well. Okay, dito sa radio program na ito. So, you guys will find out. You guys will know who you're sharing your birthdays with, mga nagbe-birthday ngayon. And speaking of nagbe-birthdays ngayon, unahin ko na yung mga kaibigan ko na nagbe-birthday ngayon. Ayan, yung mga mababait nating kaibigan. Siyempre, basta kaibigan ni DJ Tommy G, mabait. Kagaya ni Kuya Ramon Fernandez. Alright. Sir Ramon, kamusta ka na? I miss you, ha? How you doing? Happy birthday sa'yo, ha? Alright? Kuya Ramon Fernandez, happy birthday. Okay? Pati na rin si Kuya Roger Tangkoy, nagbe-birthday din ngayon. Kalain mo, nagbe-birthday to, no? Oh, taon-taon po yan. Hindi nagmi-miss. Alright. Also, happy birthday din kay Ate Thalia Jesaria, the better half of paring si Kuya Idol Sogi. Ayan, si Kuya Idol Sogi, kaka-birthday lang din. Magkasunod sila, no? Ayan. So, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa pala. Okay? And si Ate Eileen Desena, okay, we go way back. We used to work for a certain, entertainment company that involves numbers. Ate Eileen, happy birthday. Kamusta ka na? Okay? And also to Ana Beatriz Valenzuela. Ayan, happy birthday sa iyo. Ate Ana Beatriz, I hope you're doing fine. Have a great one. Have a good one. Okay. So, sino pa ba? Ayan. Yan lang yung mga in-inform sa akin ni Mark Zuckerberg. Alright, so add nyo ako para kayo rin kasama taon-taon. Happy birthday everybody celebrating the birthdays today. But let's get on with today's holidays and observances first. Okay, and by the way, this segment, the holidays and observances, being brought to you by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Branch, and the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch. Okay, Wawas Jr. for the great tasting, best mouth-watering burgers and fries and a whole lot more. Okay, Wawas Jr. Subic Bay Freeport Branch, Rizal Highway, Subic Bay Freeport Zone, stall number 18, one-stop shop building, just beside the Subic Gym and Remy Field. 0927-895-9714 if you want yours delivered. And for the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch, 0927-950-8775. Okay, the best tasting flame-grilled quarter-pounder burgers, Wawas is for you. All right. For today's holidays and observances, okay, August 14, bilis ng araw, no? August 14 na. It's the Lizards Day. Okay, yung mga enthusiasts ng lizards, 'di ba? May mga big fan of lizards, may nag-aalaga ng iguana, ng in fact even alligators, no? Tsaka crocodiles, may nag-aalaga niyan, no? All right. Pero yan lang yung sabi nila, pag sayo daw lumaki, maamo sayo even though it's alligator or crocodile. Kahit na I don't wanna bet. I don't wanna make sugal. your life could be in the balance, di ba? Yeah. Today is also Romance Awareness Day. Romance. Hindi the bad romance, ha. Romansa. Romance Awareness Day. I don't know why. Pero hindi ba February 14 dapat to? But anyways, okay. Social Security Day, ang August 14. Also the Video Jock or VJ Day. Ayan. V as in Valentine's, ha. Iba pa yung isang B. Coloring Book Day. Okay. For the kids. You can also consider coloring books to be children's books kasi it's for the children, di ba? Ayan. But if you ask me, any book can be a children's book if the kid can read. Sinabi yan ni Idol Mitch Hedberg. Today is also Military Marriage Day. All right, for all of you folks who are married to the military or military personnel at least, okay? And lastly, Financial Awareness Day, ang August 14, okay? So be aware of your finances. Sumusobra ba yung gastos versus incoming? Do some balancing. Okay? So there you have it. The holidays and observances for today. Okay? For the August 14 holidays and observances brought to you by Wawas Junior, Subic Bay Freeport Branch, and Dinalupihan Bataan Branch. Okay?